Make your own Kahoot. Go to Kahoot.com. Go to the login button and then type in DB9876 and the password 123456. Click on Create and go to Settings. Type in your title and a brief description of your Kahoot. Leave it on private at the moment till we double check it. Click on Upload Image and upload an image from the folder that you made with your Kahoot images. Press Done and you're ready to begin. Yay! Type in your first question at the top. Type in each of your answers. Question 1, Question 2, Question 3, and Question 4. Don't forget to select the correct answer with a tick. Select Insert Media, select GIFs, select the image you want, and boom, your image is in the quiz. Select Add a Question and then add a quiz. You're up to page 2 of your Kahoot. Just do the same as you did before. Type in your question and then type in all of the answers. Is it leggy? Is it trunk? Is it Woody? Is it Sam? Don't forget to tick the correct answer. Then go to your Insert Media again and choose a GIF you would like for your image. Complete 3 more questions this way and then press Done. Go to the library and then you can press Play. Press Host. Select Show Question and Answers on Players' Devices and then go to Classic and click. Game pin will come up and also the instructions for your players. They will need to go to Kahoot It and enter the pin. I can't wait to see your game. I hope you let me be the first one to play it.